All right, Buddha, let's have a look. Yeah, I think y'all might have given a try. Yeah, anybody needs more time to get it done?
I need more time.
Okay. So the current time is 39. Yeah, by 45. I will give you all 5 minutes. Actually, 43. Yeah, I'm going to go through the answers. Yeah. Alrighty, let's maybe go through the answer while you all are doing it. I'm sure that you guys might have given your best try. Unfortunately, not much people managed to get the answer correct or send me the answer. Yeah, but that's all right. Make sure that you guys listen to this properly. It will pretty much help you out to understand how to get this question done very well. Now, Pute, now this is a fraction, addition, or subtraction type of a question. In fraction, addition, or subtraction, the main thing is you can only do addition or subtraction with fractions when what is the same? When the denominators are same. You have to make sure the denominators are same. And the other thing I don't like much is mixed numbers. We don't like mixed numbers. Why? Then it's very hard for us to get ourselves into it. Yeah, get ourselves to understand how the question is done. Because this is a fraction question. Fraction questions, it's better to make with improper. Yeah. So let's quickly make it into improper. Who can remember the improper fraction of 2/1/5? How to make 2/1/5 into improper? What do we do?
We can multiply 2 by 5 and 1.
We do the
Multiply.
multiply and then add it up, isn't it? Yeah. So 5 times 2, that's a 10, plus 1 is 11. 11 out of a 5 minus, what will this be? 8 times 4, add with a 1. 8 times 4 plus 1, how much is that? That's a 32 plus 1, 33. 33 out of a 8. Yeah, plus with 10 times 1 is a 10, plus 7 is 17. 17 out of a 10. All right. Now my question is fractions only. That's lovely. Now I need to do I need to try to make the denominator same. Can somebody quickly tell me what is the LCM of 5, 8 and 10? Or where will 5 timetables, 8 timetables and 10 timetables all meet each other?
40.
40. Very good. So 5 to become a 40, I have to multiply by 8. But remember, if you multiply the denominator by a certain number, you have to multiply the numerator by the same number as well. We call it as equivalent fractions. Yeah. Here, to make it a 40, I have to multiply by 5, right? So up here also multiply by 5. To make it a 40, I have to multiply here by 4. So up here also multiply by 4. Got it, guys? Then what will I get? I will get this as an 88 out of a 40 minus this will be a 165 out of a 40 plus this will be a 34 double bit. That's 68 out of a 40. Yeah. Now, Pute, this is going to be a little bit of negative numbers as well. Yeah. Who can quickly tell me what is 88 minus 165? What is 88 minus 165? You all know negative and positive numbers. So, you all should be able to get this answer done. 88 take away 165.
Minus 77.
Minus 77. Alright, let's have a look. Definitely, Pute, this is a positive, this is a negative, but this question is more negative. Yeah, 165 is a negative, so the answer is negative. That's correct. Then 165 take away 88, that's a 77. Very good, Buddha. That is the answer indeed. Well done. Alrighty. So 77 out of 40, negative 77 out of 40 with a positive, yeah, 68 out of a 40. Now, Buddha, can somebody quickly do a negative 77 and a positive 68? What will be my answer? It will definitely be a negative answer again, for sure. But what negative? Negative 9. That is correct. Negative 9 out of a 40. Yeah. Can we do any simplifications here? Nah. So that is our answer. So the answer is negative 9 out of a 40. Did that make sense? Anybody who didn't understand how to do this? Did everybody understand it, Pute? Maybe because most of you all got yourself a little stuck there. Yeah? Stucky, sticky. Maybe I will give you one more question just to ensure that we can understand everything. Can you all give your best try to do 2 1/4 minus 1 5/6? Alright? Add with the 2/3. 2 1/4 minus 1 5/6. Add with the 2/3. Can you quickly give this question done? I will give you all only 3 minutes put up. Only 3 minutes, man. Yeah, spot on 3 minutes, and after that I'm going to go through the answers. Quickly do it. First thing, what is the step we are going to do? Make everyone into improper, right? Or, yeah. Or in other words, don't say everyone into improper, into fractions. That's more better. Into fractions. Either it's a proper or an improper, make it into a fraction. So what will it be? I will get 2 times 4 times 2, which is 8, plus 1, that's a 9. 9 out of a 4. Yeah, take away. What will this be? 6 times 1, which is a 6, plus 5, that's going to be 11. 11 out of a 6. Plus 2 out of a 3. That's done. That's finished. Everybody good? Now what is my next step? Make the denominator same. Make the denominators the same. Yeah. So what will be the denominators here? What is the best denominator I can make everybody into? 4s, 6s and 3s. 24.
18.
Huh? How can 4 goes to 18, mister? 4, 8, 12, 60, 20, 24. 4 to become 24, we have to multiply by 6. So up here multiply by 6. 6 to become 24, multiply by 4. Up here multiply by 4. 3 to become 24, multiply by 3. 8. So multiply by 8. So then what we will get, Pute? We will get a 54 out of 24. Take away 44 out of 24. Add with 16 out of 24. Does that make sense, Puta? Everybody? Then my next step is going to be, yeah, either you can do all of them at once. I would rather do 2 things at a time, or 1 thing at a time in a way. Yeah. So for 54 take away 44, that's a 10 out of 24. Add with 16 out of 24, right? Then 10 plus 16, that's a, how much, Puta? 26, right? 26 out of 24. Now you got your final answer. Now start to simplify if you can. Is there any way I can simplify up and down here? Actually, there was a much more better number to make it into. It's not 24. I should have made it into a 12. 3 times tables goes to 12. Yeah, we should have done it into 12. But okay, that's alright. We can still get it done correctly here. Yeah. 26 and 24. We can divide both of them by which timetables? 2 timetables. 2 timetables 13. 2 timetables 12. Yeah. Again. Now can I simplify that? Nah. But I can make it into a mixed number. Tell me, how many 12s can go into 13? Just a 1 12. Left over 1 out of a 12. 1 12th is the answer. Actually, this should have been much easier if we made the denominators into 12 rather than going to 24, but that's alright. Yeah, in maths, there's no such a thing called this is the only method. But the only thing is, you should not do any mistakes. If you don't do any mistakes, you will always get the correct answer. Yeah, no matter what method you use. Alrighty. Alright, Pute. So then today, let's go to our new lesson. This is going to be like you guys will like it a lot. Yeah, multiplication. with multiplication with fractions. Multiplication with fractions. Okay. Let me ask y'all a little bit of.
We wanted to change the denominator.
Yeah, we don't have to worry about it. Yeah. I'm coming to that. Before I go to that, can y'all remember the divisibility rules? Yeah? Okay. Can somebody quickly tell me how do we know if two numbers are a number is divisible by 2 or not?
If the number is even.
Okay. How do we know if a number is divisible by 3 or not?
If it is divisible by 3.
Yeah, if you add the digits up, if that addition is divisible by 3, that number is divisible by 3. Good. Then what about 4? If the last two digits are divisible by 4, that digit is divisible by 4. Yeah, what about 5? Oh, y'all should know that.
It is 5 or 0.
What about 10? If the last digit is ending with a 0, it's divisible by 10. That's a good start. Yeah. Other stuff there are other stuff like divisibility of 6 is if the number is divisible by 2 as well as 3, it's divisible by 6. Divisibility of 7, there's nothing much. Divisibility of 8 is if the last 3 digits are divisible by 8, that number is divisible by 8. Divisibility of 9 is if the addition is divisible by 9, that number is divisible by 9. That is there. But yeah, what you need to mainly remember is the 2, 3, 5 and 10. 2, 3, 5 and 10. 2 means if the numbers are ending with a 2, 4, 6, 8 or 0 or even numbers are divisible by 2. If the addition of the numbers are divisible by 3, that number is divisible by 3. Keep that in your mind. If the number is ending with a 5 or a 0, that number is divisible by 5. And if the number is ending with a 0, that number is divisible by 10. Keep that in your mind, it will help you a lot. Alright, let's write multiplication with fractions. Yeah. First, I don't know whether you can drink some water and not. Come on. Can you?
Okay,
go for it. Go for it. First, make the fractions into everyone. Sorry, first make everyone into fractions. What do I mean by that? Yeah. If there is a mixed number, make it into improper. There is a mixed number, make it into improper. If there is a whole number, make it into the whole value over 1. Yeah. So as an example, if I have a 1 4 5th, what we will do, we will write it as 5 times 1, which is a 5, plus 4 is a 9. 9 out of 5. If I have just a 6, that I can write as 6 over 1. Yeah. Let's make everyone into fractions. If it is already a fraction, we are lucky, we can skip that step. Then the next step is, then try to simplify up and down and diagonally. Up down means vertically and diagonally. So you will try to simplify the numbers up and down as well as diagonally as much as you can. Once that is done, now multiply horizontally, or in other words, numerator numerator and denominator with denominator and obtain your answer. In brackets, if it's improper, make it into its Alright, just write this thing down, and after that I will explain you all what did I write, what does it mean, and how to get it done. Yeah. So these are the 3 steps we use to do multiplication with fractions. Very easy. Anybody can do it. Quickly write it down nicely. Alright, Putha. Let's have a look. Everybody done with writing, Putha? Everybody done? Yeah? Okay.
No, sir, no, sir, no, sir.
Huh?
Look. 2.
Alright. Okay, let's do this one. A question together. Now, Putha, let's say that I got a 2.5, yeah, multiplied by 3 and a 15th. Okay. Can somebody quickly tell me, is everybody here are fractions or not? Is everybody good to go? Or should I do something before? Quickly tell me, Putha. That's it, Putha. What do you think? Is these both are fractions already? Or should I do something?
First, you have to simplify. Sorry, you have to make the first fraction into an improper fraction.
Okay.
Yeah.
So can somebody quickly do the improper fraction process? So first multiply and then add it up. And tell me what is the answer there. Yes, Putha. Yeah, quickly take a screenshot of this, Putha. Done?
No, sir. 1 minute.
1 minute is too long for a screenshot, madam.
Please, sir. Sorry. The answer is 4. 4. No, the answer actually does not. Oh, can you scroll? I can see the question. Will you go?
Give me 1 second. Bohara Putha, let me send you the note. Okay, here we go. Alright, here we go. Alright, tell me.
42.
Huh? Every answer is perfectly wrong. Anybody else?
Wrong.
5/2. Because 2 times 2, that's a 4, plus the 1, that's a 5. 5/2 times by 3/15. Perfect. Now I'm done with my first step. My second step is what? Try to simplify vertically as well as diagonally. Vertically, like that means up and down here. Can I simplify vertically up and down here? 5 and 2, can I simplify, Putha? Nah, there's nothing. Yeah? What about this 3 and 15? Is there any way to simplify? What? How?
Both 3.
Both can get divided by 3. What will I get then?
1/5.
1. Yeah, 3 divided by 3 is a 1. 15 divided by 3 is a 5. Done. Can I simplify those 1 and 5 anymore? No more. That's it. Now then what am I going to do? I'm trying to simplify diagonally. Diagonally, these two. Can I simplify these two diagonally? 1 and 2. No. Can I simplify these two diagonally? 5 and 5. Can or not? Can, right? Obviously. Yeah, we can divide both those numbers by which timetables? 5 timetables. 5 timetables, this is a 1. 5 timetables, this is a 1. Is that clear to everybody? So far so good, no issues at all. Yeah? Then, what should we do today? Our next step is going to be multiply horizontally, or numerator multiply by numerator, denominator times by denominator. So numerator times numerator, 1 times by 1, how much is that? That's just a 1. Then denominator times denominator, 2 times 1, how much is that? That's just a 2. But is this a improper fraction? No, it's a proper, nice, simplified fraction. So let's keep that answer as it is. So the answer is just a half. Is that clear to everybody? Yeah? Very clear? Alrighty. If it is clear, so let's do a couple of questions together before we move to the next part, which is division, the beginning of division questions. Quickly copy. Sorry? What is wrong with today's class? Everybody wants to go to Joe, get some Joe and Pipi Bara and everything today. Yeah? I'm just joking.
Rainy day.
Rainy day. Okay. Good to know. Apparently my area is very dry. Okay. Try to do these 3 questions for me. Okay. I'll give you all a small hint. When you all are doing the 2nd, 4th and the 5th question today, get the answer here and then do it here. Get the answer here and then do it here. Yeah? Go first to 2 different steps. Alright, Ipata? Quickly get it done. Every time you get an answer, send me the answer so I'll tell you whether you got it correct or wrong.
Sir, I can't see them properly.
You can't see them properly. Is that clear or it's still bad?
Okay.
2 and a 3. Can we simplify, guys? No, right? 5 and a 6, can we simplify? No. 2 and a 6, can we simplify? Yes. 2 timetables 1, 2 timetables 3. 3 and a 5, can we simplify? No. So now just multiply. 1 times by 5, that's a 5. 3 times by 3, that's a 9. 5 over 9 is the answer for the first one. Got it? Next question. Yeah. Let's quickly rewrite it as impropers. Can somebody quickly tell me what is the improper of this? What is the improper, Pute? Guys?
3 over 2.
3 over 2. Because why? 2 times 1 is a 2. That plus 1 is a 3. Yeah. Now let's start to simplify. Yeah. 3 and a 2, can we simplify? No. 8 and a 9? No. Then this 2 and 8? Yes. 2 timetables 1, 2 timetables 4. That's it. And then these 2? Yes, again. 3 timetables 1, 3 timetables 3. Anything else can I do? No. So then my final answer as a fraction, it will be a 1 times 4, which is a 4. 1 times 3, which is a 3. But is that enough to write it like that? No. Why? Because this is an improper. You can make it into a mix. How do we make it into mix, Pute? You can think about how many 3's can go into 4. How many groups of 3's can go into a 4? You can make a 1 group of 3 in a 4 and a leftover 1. 1 group of 3 and a leftover 1 out of 3. 1 and a 1/3 is the answer. Got it? The people who didn't get the answer correct, make sure write down the steps. Yeah. Next one. Pute, there's an easy way to do it and a like step-by-step method to do it. Which method would you guys like to do here for this question? Yeah. The easy way is like this. You think about, now here denominator is a 3, right? Can you see the denominator 3? Is there anybody in the numerator who will get simplified with a 3? Is there anybody in the numerator who will get simplified with a 3? Is there anybody, Pute? Yeah, there's a 1 here. But let's maybe do one thing at a time. Then it's easy for us. Let's look at here. Can I simplify up and down here? No. 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 So that will give me, yeah, 2 times 1 is a 2, 3 times 4 is a 12. And then times by 3 out of 5. Now let's start to simplify here. Up and down here, can I simplify? Yeah, actually I could have simplified here. 1 and a 2, right? Anyway, now because I didn't simplify it, I can simplify now here. Yeah, 2 timetables 1, 2 timetables 6. Yeah, again 3 and a 5, can I simplify? No. 3 and a 6? Yes. 3 timetables 2, 3 timetables 1. And a 1 and a 5? Nah. Then what will be my answer? 1 times 1 is a 1. 2 times 5 is a 10. 1 out of 10 is the answer there. Did that make sense, everybody? Yeah. Cool. Then everybody, can you all quickly do this question for me? And I want the answer from everyone. Yeah. Because only one of the students managed to send this answer. I want the answer from everybody here. Yeah. So first step will be make into improper, right? So then I can write down 3 times 1 is a 3 plus 1 is a 4. So I can rewrite it 4 over 3 multiplied by 1 out of 2 multiplied by 5 out of 7. Yeah. Do these two, get the answer. And from that answer, do this and get your final answer. Quickly send me the answer, everyone. Let's quickly get it done, and then after that, let's go to the next part. What will be the answer here? Anybody got that answer? Evin, did you do it? Fahara, Sasen, or Revan Pute? What did you get here?
I get there like 4 to 6.
No, that means you didn't simplify it a little bit. You can simplify here, Pute. These two you can't.
2 to 3.
2 to 3, because why? You can't simplify these two, but you can simplify these two, right? 2 timetables 1, 2 timetables 2. You can't simplify these two as well. 2 out of a 3. Then you will have another multiply by who? This 5 out of 7. Okay. Now start to simplify that Pute. These two I can't simplify. These two I can't simplify. These two I can't simplify. These two also I can't simplify. So what is my answer going to be? What will be my answer? 10? Yeah, 10. 10 over what?
21.
21. Why? 2 times 5 is a 10. 3 times 7 is a 21. Yep. All good, guys? Everybody? So far, so good? Maybe because not much people managed to get that answer correct. Can you all do this one quickly? I want answers from everybody. There are 6 people here. All 6 answers should be there. If anybody can't do it, I want to see whatever the working out they did to get the answer. So I'm going to look at your books as well. So make sure that you write down things properly. I want to see the books. Quickly do it, everyone. Okay, let's have a look, guys. Yeah. Once you simplify, you multiply the numerators and the denominators. Okay. Now let's have a look here. Can I simplify 2 and 5? No. Can I simplify this 10 and 7? No. Can I simplify this 2 and 8? Yes. 2 timetables 1, 2 timetables 4. Can I simplify this 5 and 7? No. So then 1 times 7, that is a 7. 5 times 4, that is a 20. Got it? Now let's start to do the simplification here again with these two. Yeah. 7 and 20, can you simplify? No. 10 and 11? No. 20 and 10? Yes, of course. 10 timetables 1, 10 timetables 2. And then this 7 and 11? No. Then what we will have here? 7 times 1, that's a 7. Yeah. And then 2 times 11, that's a 22. 7 out of 22 is the answer.
20.
It's a mistake then. Alright, everybody good Pute? No problems? No issues? Alrighty. Then Puta, we are going to the next section. Yes, something important. A process called reciprocal. Reciprocal. Or some people call it multiplicative inverse. Yeah? Reciprocal multiplicative inverse means the same thing. First step 1 is make sure the number is a fraction. Yeah? So if it is a mixed number, make it into improper. If it is a whole number, write it over 1. If it is a proper fraction, but they keep it as it is, no problem. And the step 2 of reciprocal in is put the fraction upside down. Done. That's it. That's all you need to do. So as an example, let's do it. Now, can somebody tell me? Now, let's say this is the fraction we have. 2 out of 3. Is 2 out of 3 is a fraction? Yes, it is. Yeah. Now put the fraction upside down. What will it be? 2 out of 3 upside down. What is that? Yeah. Denominator comes with the numerator. Numerator goes to the denominator. Easy peasy. 3 out of 2. Does that make sense? That is the reciprocal. But this reciprocal is an improper fraction we can see here. So then let's make it into a mixed number. How many 2's can go into 3? That's a 1. Left over 1 out of 2. So the reciprocal of 2 out of 3 is a 1.5. Does that make sense, everybody? Yeah? Then, let's do another example. Yeah. Let's say that we got a 2, 5 out of 7. Can somebody quickly tell me, now can I do the reciprocal process straight away? No. Why? This is a mixed number. First make it into a fraction. What will be the fraction of this?
Over 7.
19 over 7 you say. Let's check it. 2 times 7 is or 7 times 2 is a 14. That 14 plus 5, that's a 19. Very good. 19 out of a 7. And now let's make the reciprocal of it. Can somebody tell me the reciprocal of this? That means put the fraction upside down. 7 over 19. Is this an improper fraction? No. So we can write the answer as it is. 7 over 19 is the answer there. Alright, next one. If it is a nice whole number like a 7, how can I write 7 as a fraction? 7 means what over what?
7 over 1.
7 over 1. Remember Pute, a whole number is a fraction where the denominator is 1. Yeah? Whole number is a fraction with denominator 1. Yeah. And then now reciprocal it and tell me what is the reciprocal of 7 over 1? It's going to be a 1 comes up, 7 goes down, 1 over 7. Reciprocal means making the fraction go upside down. All goody? Everybody? Yeah, everybody done? Okay, let's go to a small question then. Madam, you need to be a little bit fast with your handwriting.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Others, the people who are done, yeah, quickly try to do this question, this question, this question, this question. Yeah, try to do these 4 questions for me.
Sir, can you please make it a bit bigger?
Because Vohara is still writing, what I will do is, let me do something else. Go and put there. Have a look at your chat. It should be there. The questions are there in your chat now. Oh, it's loading. Give me okay, it should be there by now. Can you guys see it? In case if you can't see the questions well, you can just download it from the chat. It's there.
I can't understand.
You can't understand. What can't you?
That's like 4. How to make it a fraction?
4 is a whole number, right? A whole number is a
Yeah.
fraction where the denominator is what? Mister, read this part. What have I written here?
It's good.
Here we go. Read
I
it.
know.
What is it?
4 number is a fraction with what is that?
Denominator.
1.
So if you have a 7, 7 can be written as 7 over 1. And then the reciprocal in means the 1 comes to the top, 7 goes to the bottom.
Okay.
Yeah, that's it.
Oh,
Sorry?
that's all.
That's all. Okay, let's have a look. 4. 4 can be written as 4 over 1, right? And that 4 over 1, I can make it upside down to make the reciprocal. So 4 over 1 will become a, what for there? 1 over. Quickly write down the correct steps with me, everybody. Revan Pute, I'm not getting any answers from you. Why is that? Revan?
Okay, I can hear you.
8, 1 over 8. 1 over 8 Pute, I can make it upside down again, straight away reciprocal it. And that will give me a 8 over 1. But remember, 8 over 1, anything over 1 is itself. So it will be just a 8. 8 is the answer. Yeah. Then the next one, 3 over 11. 3 over 11, I can straight away reciprocal it. That will become 11 over 3. But that 11 over 3, Pute, what can I do? Make it into a mixed number. What will be the mixed number of that? How many 3's can go into 11? That's going to be a, how much Puta? 3, 6, 9. 9. That's a 3. Left over 2 out of a 3. 3 2/3 is the answer. 3 2/3. And then the last one, 15 out of 4, I can reciprocal it. That will become a 4 out of 15. That's it. Everybody good with that? Yeah. Now, why do we want this reciprocal or whatever this thing? Like it seems so easy. So why do we want it? We want it, Puta, when it comes to division with fractions. When it comes to division with fractions, we will need the reciprocal in process. Or process of reciprocal. Yeah. Have anybody done division with fractions?
No, sir.
In school? Okay. Say they have done.
Yes, sir.
You all did it? It's good. When did you guys do it for them? This year?
No, sir, last year.
Last year when?
Last year, term 1, I think.
Oh, that's good. Alrighty, division with fractions. What is it going to be? It's going to be something like this. Pute. Division will become multiplication. This is all you need to remember. When the right hand side fraction goes upside down, or in other words, the right hand side fraction goes through the process of reciprocal. Yeah? This is what you need to remember. This is the main thing. Yeah, if you can memorize it, just memorize it. I have memorized it. So whenever somebody asks me, what do you need to remember about division of fractions? Division of fraction is nothing but division will become multiplication when the right hand side fraction goes upside down. When the right hand side fraction goes upside down, it is what division of fractions are about. Alrighty, let's do this question. Quickly write this thing down, everybody, and let's do a question together. Now I want you all to follow up with me, yeah? Quickly. If not, we will not have time. Everyone good? Alrighty, let's see. Now, can somebody quickly tell me what do you guys think my first step is? No matter what the question, I always do that as my first step. What is that? Anybody?
Improper fraction.
So that's going to be a 3 out of a 7 divided by, this will be what for that? If I make it into improper. What will this be? 7 over 4 times 1, that's a 4 times 1 is a 4, that plus 3 is a 7. Very good, Pute. Yeah. So that will be a 7 out of 4. All good, everybody? Now, what did I say about division with fractions? Yeah, left hand side fraction is no problem, but division will become multiplication when the right hand side fraction goes upside down. That will be a 4 over 7. Got it, everybody? So far so good. Okay, write down until there, everyone, and after that let's finish out the question together. Write down until here, and then let's start the multiplication process after that. Multiplication, let's do it together now. Yeah, now multiplication, can you remember what did we do? We try to simplify up and down here. Can we simplify up and down there? No. Then what about these two? Nah. What about this? Not that either. What about this? No, nothing to simplify. Then what we do is just multiply the numerator with the numerator. What is 3 times 4? 12 over. What is 7 times 7? 49. There we go. We have our answer. That's how we do it. Does that make sense, everybody?
No steps.
Sorry?
I couldn't copy the last part of the step.
Shit, oh yeah, copy it down. And after that, let's do a question together. 3 of 4 divided by 7 out of 8. Yeah, quickly write down this question, Pute. What will be my first step? My first step will be to make the improper, make everybody into fractions, right? So 2 times 3, that's a 6. 6 plus 1, that's a 7. 7 out of 2. Divide by 7 out of 8. Everybody good? Then what is my next step? Make the division into multiplication. What happens when we are trying to make division into multiplication? When you make division into multiplication, the right hand side fraction goes upside down. That will give me a 8 out of a 7. Yep. And now Pute, start the simplification process and send me the answer. I will give you all 1 minute. Yeah. Start the simplification process and send me the answer. It's an easy peasy simplification, and that will give you a nice whole number as your answer at the end. Sasin Pute, that's a little wrong, mister. Looks like you don't know your two timetables. Sehita Putta, your answer is correct. Good job. Look at it, Sasin. Send me the correct answer. It's okay that you got it wrong at the very beginning. Yeah, that's correct now. Perfect. Others also. Vaharapute, don't write over 1. Anything over 1 is itself. Remember. Yeah, if I have a 3 over 1, it's just a 3 Pute. Okay, send me the correct answer. If you ever see a over 1, just write the whole number by itself. Very good, Vahara. Good. Okay, now I'm waiting for Abin, Dasita, Disat and Revon. Abin, that's wrong, Pute. I don't know how to do it.
How can you 55 select?
Huh? Okay. Let's see, Pute. Can I simplify this 7 and 2? No. Can I simplify this 8 and 7? Again, no. That's it. Disat Pute. Don't write over 1. Remember, Pute, anything over 1 is itself. So write down the top number by itself. That's it. Send me the correct answer. Your method is correct. Don't ever write over 1. No, Evin. So here we go. Yeah. I can't simplify up and down here. I can't simplify up and down here. Let's try to simplify up and down here. Can we simplify up and down there? Yes. What is it? 2 timetables 1, 2 timetables 4. Can I simplify up and down here? Yes. What is it? 7 timetables 1, 7 timetables 1. Then what am I going to be left over with? 1 times 4, that is a 4. 1 times 1, that is a 1. But I told you all, anything over 1 is itself. So 4 over 1 is just a 4 by itself. So the answer is just a 4. Got it, everybody? No problems? Alright, now the next thing. The one which I wanted to have a chat with y'all, because many of y'all didn't do it properly for me, which was a little bit of a sad scenario. Now the people who are new to the class today, don't worry about it. Yeah, I'm talking about the homework last week. Who did the homework last week? The homework which I sent you all. Because apparently I didn't see much people got it done. Yeah. And guys, I really want to get it done. Yeah. Make sure that you guys do it. Alrighty. Now the people who are new and the people who probably didn't know there was homework, let me tell you all what the homework is. Now, Pute, Disat and Sehita, because you guys were not there last week, we were learning about fractions. Yeah. But let me show you all, Pute, how to get it for yourself and how to watch it as well. Yeah. There are 2 PDF documents which I will be sending you all every week. Yeah. One of the documents contains the note as well as the recording. So let me put that document here. So this is one of the documents which I sent during last week. Within a couple of days after the class, you should receive it. So here, Pute, the whole entire note, yeah, with step-by-step approach is there here. What is a fraction? Every single extensive note is there. But end of the day, if you have time, go through it, read it. Yeah, even I have done some questions here and I have showed how to get the answer, check the denominator. Every single step about how to get the answer done is written down here today. Yeah, with example questions which I have taken a lot of time to get it done. And after that, at the end of it, Pute, there's a URL as well here. Can you see it? Once you press that URL, you can even watch the entire lesson which we were doing on that day. Yeah. And then, that is not the most important thing for me. For me, the most important thing is this. The next PDF document you will receive will be the homework which I give. Pute, my homework is not that hard at all. To be honest, if you sit for 1 hour, that could be more than sufficient to get that homework done. 1 hour is the maximum you will take. Actually, if you are a good student, you will not even take half an hour to get it done. That much easy my homework is. Yeah. But I want everybody to get it done and I'm serious about it. Alrighty. Now look here. Now this one. Anybody can look it and tell me what is the LCM of 2, 6, and 8? Where will 2 timetables, 6 timetables, 8 timetables meet each other?
24.
24. So where's your answer for that? I didn't receive an answer from you saying that it's 24. Look. Yeah, this one. How to make the denominator same? Multiply by 3 here. 1 out of 9, 3 out of 9 and a 5 out of 9. That's 8 out of 9. Easy questions. These questions are not hard. I don't give hard questions. Why? Actually, they are hard for a person who doesn't do these questions properly. When you go to the exam, then these exam questions will be also like this. Yeah. Bit by bit, I'm coming to hard questions. So, Pute, please ensure that you all get things done, yeah? Everybody? Yeah. So, make sure that you all do the homework of last week as well as the homework which you will receive within another couple of days for this week as well. Yeah? And yeah, get it marked. Take pictures of it, send it to the administration number. Yeah? Which is the +94 or 0716 83 84 85 number. Yeah? Which your parents might have contacted to come to the today's class. Yeah, that number when you send it Pute, they will always mark it and send it back to you with what happened. So make sure that you get it done. Yeah, then you will be ahead of the game. Yeah, I'll see you guys next time then. Have a pleasant week ahead. Have a great week, Pute. Make sure to do your work. Yeah, Pute. Oh, just make a message to the administration Pute saying that, hey, can I have last week's notes and the questions? They will send it to you.
Okay,
Don't worry.
thank you.
Yeah.
Bye.
Okay. See you Pute. Bye. God bless.